Sirkal ayanga chenro motisini ClimateWorx program manongere ni Kaszi Mtaani. Chenro no koro biro monyo omenda maromo bilion 5 kendo biro neno ni rawere maromo 113 kondikore counties 47. Kano wuoyo kinde nyasi no jagoro mongere mochung' ne gedo mar udi Charles Hinga manoten kod nyawadgi mar arita Dr. Ramogi Molo oyango ndikruok e yor mbui osechakore kendo biro kawo ndalo 10 kapok chenro mar ndikruok aching hochakore. Chenro no ibiro ta kod tend loch nanga.
The majority of the activities are going to coalesce around roads and roads-related activities. So we expect that we are going to have activities such as expansion of drainages along the roads. We are going to have even roads which are being done either from cobblestone, from cabro. There will be just, footpaths that will be constructed, access roads to various public facilities.
Because you work for 10 days, you take a break for 10 days, it's an opportunity to acquire some skill, which then would allow you to do the next available job opportunity that we continue to push as an administration.
So we'll also be working closely with those committees to be able to supply us with some of the basic materials like gravel, like hardcore, to ensure that the roads that we improve are also improving the connectivity in areas that have challenges.
Ogaimaro bila Douglas Kanja koro chiwo chik ne komanda magobi aduto mapacho ka mondo ochuog komiti e gwenge mag rakruok kod midhiero mar mibadhi. Kanyo lero ni jotend obila go bende ibiro dwar mondo